In this video, we'll learn how to use the Shape tool. Tap the Shape tool. We have 6 options. The rectangle shape allows us to quickly draw a shape with 4 parallel sides. Each time we draw a shape, the edit menu pops up. Cancel the little square to lock the edits in proportion. Tick to unlock freeform. Click the curve icon to edit each angle point. Press and drag the angle point to shrink the line. Tap it to make it smooth. Tap again to recover or delete. Break the chain to make an open shape. Connect it back to the closed shape. Click the leaf icon to quick fill the shape. Tick to confirm the edit. The circle works the same way. The polygon helps to draw a shape with equal sides, and we can decide how many sides a shape has. The polyline is dot by dot to create a line with angle. Tap the red point to make a smooth line. The curve tool works the same way, dot by dot to create a smooth line. Long press and drag the angle point to adjust the thickness. Before confirming the edit, we can change the color by picking the color from the palette.